Hello! In front of me I have Huawei Watch GT Runner, and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the applications on this device. So, first we need to open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the Huawei Health application. In the application we need to tap on the devices icon, select our Watch GT Runner from the list of devices. Now scroll down, find the option called App Gallery and tap on it. Here, let's tap on the Manager, then tap on Installation Manager, and right here we have the list of applications installed on our watch, and we can uninstall them by tapping on the Uninstall button next to one, or we can also tap on Select Multiple, and we can select multiple if you want to uninstall. For example, we can select both of them and tap on Uninstall, then tap on Yes to remove them. Like this. As you can see, the apps are gone. We can close the app, and if we wake up the screen on our watch, press the Home button to open the menu. The applications should be gone from this menu right here. And that's how you uninstall applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.